Hold on, make room. Whew. This is an unboxing video. 6 pairs of Aquazzura Booties. Why? Have I gone mad? Possibly. Justified though. These booties justify my madness for Aquazzura Booties. These booties are the best booties, most good looking and most comfortable booties ever. The leather is so soft. The art support, it's amazing. I can walk in them for a long time. The leather doesn't rub to my feet. These booties cause my madness. Let's get started. First box, hopefully they fit. I'll show you one of the cutest thing about Aquazzura shoes. If the shoe fits, buy them in every color. That's what I've done, kind of, to the closest I could get. By the way, all the 6 pairs I bought are on sale, were on sale. If they're still available, I'm going to link them in the description below. Also, when I bought these booties were still available for sale. If they are when this video goes live, I should buy another pair. How can I not buy another pair? Oh my, what's wrong with me? If they're still available, I'm gonna buy another pair and I'm going to link them below. Why I didn't buy another pair? I have gone mad. I'm not thinking right. This is the first pair of booties. Yes, very similar to the black ones. They are very comfortable. I don't think I'm going to keep them though. It's because I don't like how the leather bunches right here. And I don't like my toes look in them. Oh, yes, oh, you can definitely see right here, the leather here. I don't like that. These booties are going back. We have 5 more pairs. This is the second pair, very similar in style. Let's put them on. They look very pretty, but I don't like them because they hit right here where the bone is. And when I walk, it hurts. It digs into this bone. So this pair is going back too. I thought I would keep them all. I hope I have some good ones coming. This is the third pair. They look so good, don't they? Hopefully they fit. Now these are nice. I love them. I am going to keep these. They are very comfortable. I love how they look. Finally, a pair I can keep. I wish they were not in black because I already have a black color of booties that I like, but I do love these. Finally, one pair. I hope these booties fit. I love the color. Oh, they are so pretty. Do you think they're gonna fit? They're very similar to the first bootie I put on and I didn't like those. Oh man, let's find out. And let's pray. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. Okay, Richie, you're getting in the way. These are amazing. Well done, sweet boy. They are so soft. He's blocking the camera. Okay, you wanna move? Wanna move? There, thank you. They, oh my gosh, they're just like the black ones. They're actually very similar in style. Oh, these, I love them. Oh, they're great. Love them, love them. They are awesome. And sizing wise, I am a US size 9 and I'm a size 40 in Aquazzura shoes and booties. So this is the next bootie. It's satin. I thought it would be leather, but it's a satin bootie. Let's see how it does. These I don't like. They are a bit too loose for my feet, The zipper, it's really hard to open and close. It's just, you have to really, oh my, it's a pain. So these booties are going back too. And for the last pair of booties, it's actually a pair of sandals. I forgot that I bought a pair of sandals too. They're very pretty, aren't they? And they're a nude. They're going to go with so much. Now let's hope they fit. These sandals are awesome. They are so comfortable. I absolutely love them. They are a keeper. These are awesome. I love them. Oh, I can't stop walking in them. They're really, really nice. Out of 6 pairs of 5 booties, 1 pair of sandals, 3 of the booties are going back. And so there you have. Oh my God. Let me do my video, Richie. Oh my gosh. I know. Okay, so out of the 5 pair of booties, 1 pair of sandals, 3 booties are going back. I'm linking everything below. That's still available. If you want to see another unboxing video, which is my latest Chanel handbag, it's this video right here. It's, oh my gosh. See you in the next video, ladies. I'm getting attacked by a bee, Ouchie.